Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Minecraft Bedrock error code door. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to play multiplayer. Some users have shared that the game randomly stops allowing them to connect and gives this error. According to our research, the error is likely caused by internet connection issues or blocked network ports. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to change your DNS server address. You can do this by going into your network settings and setting the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, then check your internet connection. Make sure that you and your friend can visit other websites without issues. Also, if you are using a school or work internet connection, try switching to a home network. Then check if the error still comes. If the error persists, then pause any other network-heavy tasks on your device or on other shared devices. Stop all downloads and video streams and check for the error again. If you still get the error, then run a speed test to check your internet connection speed and latency. Also, if you are on a wireless network, try moving your device closer to the router and see if this helps. If the error doesn't resolve, then check your DNS settings again. If you have manually changed them before, try switching them back to automatic. If you're on a PC, you can also flush the DNS cache using Windows network commands. If you still receive the error, then check your NAT settings. If you made changes for port forwarding or are using a VPN, reconfigure your router to use moderate or open NAT. Once done, check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists, then check your open ports. Make sure your firewall, antivirus, or VPN is not blocking or slowing your connection. Also ensure that ports 80 and 443 are open. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.